area nila, yung feed nila. So ito naman yung quarrying. Mostly no, ito yung ginagamit natin sa limestone. Limestone, no, example ng quarry ng mga metallic minerals, yung limestone, yung sand gravel, metallic po yan. Then yung gypsum, yung salt, meron din tayong salt mining. We have no open cast mining or strip mining. Usually, yung sabi ko kanina, ito po yung ginagamit natin na mining method when it comes to yung sa nickel. Ito po yung ginagamit natin yung strip mining. Bale, sinusundan lang po natin yung contour ng bundok. Yun po. Bale, explain mamaya siguro ni Sir Paul, Engineer Paul, yung pagbabasa ng mga apparatus. Masagutin natin yung pakalawang tanong nyo. Sige, man. So we have the over mining, no? Ito po yung sample, ito po yung mga coal seam natin. Bali, ginagamit po na yung mining method na to sa coal. So, bali dito sa Region 9, we have, wala po tayong operating na coal since hindi po siya sa LGD, no? For the information ng everybody, yung coal po is under the supervision of the Department of Energy. So, wala po kaming data dito sa regional kung meron po sa small scale dito or large scale. Pero however, yung Pino sa Batangas, wala operating po yun. Then we have the underground mining, no? So, bale yung underground natin. So, bale po yung pinila po yung underground mining. Dito sa regional, wala po tayo underground mining. Since it's very costly, no? Yung underground mining. Sige ba? Hindi ko na sige. Ano ba? Technical. Sige ba? Sige ba? Sige ba? Sige ba? So, bale, ito pala yung stages of mining operation. So, first no, yung application ni Lugos Asian Mining Corporation is andito po siya sa exploration. So, bale, explain ko lang po, since application pa lang siya, mamaya no, i-discuss ko din yung process flow ng application for exploration permit. So, bale, yung exploration po is, sino po ni? Application po. Bro, application ba po? Application.
Clarify lang, for every stage, there is a corresponding separate permit po. So, exploration is one thing, then the actual operation is another. So, MPSA, MPAA, ano siya, Mineral Processing Sharing Agreement, mga Financial Technical Assistance Agreement, lain-lain na sila.
Ako yung EIS.
Iba din po yung environmental impact statement. Bale, yung EIS po is, doon po siya sa ECC. Hindi po siya sa area. When it comes to environmental impact. Then, for the exploration, explain ko lang po, yung exploration po is purely scientific study, no? Purely scientific study po yung exploration. Wala pong meron pong minimal disturbance, pero wala pong mina na mangyayari dito sa exploration stage. Bale, yung exploration po is, yung validity ng permit niya is 2 years. Then for non-metallic, up to 4 years. And yung metallic naman up to 6 years. So bale, yung gagawin na dito is yung magsastudy ng turong study lang po sa area. Example po, yung splitting, trenching, yung geophysical and geochemical survey, yung remote sensing, ganun po yung gagawin lang po dito. As well as, meron po ding rehabilitation. Since we have approved exploration and environmental work program. Di po uusad din po yung hindi po magsisimula yung operation nila o yung activity nila pag hindi po sila makapresent ng environmental exploration program sa mga with the respected LGUs. Dapat pakahingi po sila ng certification na nag-present sila. Sige, then after, no? Pag technically and financially, feasible po yung area for mining. Si permitting ngayon is mag-apply siya for declaration of mining project feasibility. So bali yung project mining feasibility po is yung mag-approve niya, mag-apply siya sa regional office, then i-endorse ng regional office sa bureau, sa central office, then after, i-approve ng director kung kumpleto na po yung requirements. Then, mamaya ko na lang po i-discuss thoroughly yung exploration para at least tingnan natin yung process. Ngayon natin yung process. Then after nung exploration, from how many years, maka-declare ng mining project feasibility yung isang permitting. Then thereafter, mag-apply naman siya ng mineral production sharing agreement. Then after nun, mag-comply na lahat yung requirements, yung mga pertinent documents, i-evaluate natin yon, then i-endorse natin sa central office, then sa central office, after the final evaluation, i-endorse mo sa kay secretary. Yung mag-i-issue po ng mineral production sharing agreement, joint venture agreement, or co-production sharing agreement is yung secretary po, through the recommendation of the bureau director. Dito naman po sa exploration, bale yung application po is nasa regional office. Tapos po, pag na-comply na po lahat ng mandatory yung pertinent documents, after our evaluation, i-endorse mo natin sa director, kay FGV director. Then after kung yung mag-issue po ng exploration permit is yung bureau director. Pursuant po sa DAO 2022-10, yung manual po natin. Bale, yung sa DAO 2010-21 po kasi, yung regional director po yung mag-issue. Bale ngayon yung director po. Yung first po. Yung first po is director, then subsequently yung renewal is the regional director na po. Yung central office po yung first issuance po. Then, under this development, dito sa development naman po, kung ma-approve na po yung FPSA, mapirmahan po ni Secretary, the contractor, yung FPSA holder, will now, dito na po sila sa development. Yung development naman po, dito po kumusta po tayo mga auxiliary facilities natin, nire-ready po natin yung haulage road, as well as yung pit natin for mining. Then, dito naman po, then after after yung development, dito na production. Dito na yung actual mining, as well as yung milling. Dahil kung makikita nyo, we have the progressive rehabilitation. Bakit po may progressive rehabilitation? Bakit may rehabilitation? Since dito sa exploration, we have the approved environmental work program. Meron po tayong environmental work program. As well as yung community development program. Dito po is wala pong kita si mining company. This is dumpol. Dumpol po. Nag-dumpol po sa dito. Pag wala po silang mahalap sa area, bali, i-release yung area. Bali, kung i-favor lang po sa government, i-release ng area. Kung wala silang, hindi talaga visible yung area for mining. Opo, ganun po yung mangyayari. Then, dito naman po sa dalawa, yung sa MPSA, meron po tayong approved EPEP, Environmental Protection Enhancement Program. As well as yung social SDMP, we have the SDMP for yung mga host communities natin or host municipalities. Yung Social Management and Development Program. Next, we have the final mine rehabilitation and or decommissioning plan. Yung dito naman yung i-discuss ko lang yung term ng MPSA. Meron po siya 25 years and renewable po siya for 25 years. Then after kung maubos na po yung pagpimina natin, pag-resing naman po yung rehabilitation natin, based on sa work program, approved program, we will now go to final mine rehabilitation and or decommissioning plan. Yung gagawin naman natin doon, i-rehab natin, fully rehab natin yung area, closest to its original form. Ganun po yung, hindi po natin basta-basta iiwan yung area for mining. So, sige ba? So, now, this is an example of exploration. Bale, yung exploration kasi, purely no, scientific study lang po siya, wala pong actual mining operation doon po. Bale, yung gagawin lang po nila, yung drilling, titingnan po nila kung ipapadala yung sa laboratory for laboratory analysis, kung titingnan kung ano yung extent no, nung study nila sa area, kung positive ba, yung mataas ba yung grado ng mga minerals or hindi. Hindi po. Wala po. Minimal lang po yung disturbance po. Then, we have the approved exploration work program. Yung work program, meron po silang Gantt chart. Ano lang gagawin nila this month, this following year. Then, kung ano yung disturbance nila doon, ililihap po nila yun. Meron po rehabilitation. Then, we have the relinquishment, which is yung 20% of the first 2 years. And, subsequently, 10% of the remaining years.
Sino mag-monitor ng rehab nila during the exploration stage?
We have, ma'am, we have the issues monitoring, yung element, safety and health, environment and social development sa LGB 9. We have, nagkakanda po kami ng monitoring annual sa kanila. Then yung permitting naman po, nagsasabit din siya ng report. We have the quarterly, semi-annual and annual reports.
So, of course, sir.
Wala pa po sila.
Ang ilang application for exploration?
Yes po, for exploration po. Dito po sila for exploration po si Lugos. Wala po sa actual scientific study pa lang po yung gagawin niya sa area. Wala pong disturbance, yung malaking disturbance sa area. Sige ba? So dito naman no, yung development, subsequently no, kung makaka-declare siya naman yung project feasibility, dito naman yung development, yung construction of ancillary facilities, yung mine area, development, and mill development construction. Sige ba? Then yung production, yung actual mining na talaga. Sige ba? Then yung final mine rehabilitation. Yung na-disturb natin na area is i-rehab natin its closest form. So bali, hindi na talaga siya mabalik no, sa original form, but ibabalik natin siya to its closest to its original. So bali, i-discuss ni Father ni Mr. Patrick Francisco mamaya para at least yung impact ng mining is masagot din namin. Sige ba? Then, no, yung tanong nyo, what is limestone? Diba? So, limestone, no, it is a sedimentary rock. So, yung rocks, no, we have, meron po siyang 3 kinds of rocks. We have the igneous, we have the metamorphic, and we have the sedimentary. So, si limestone is sedimentary rock, which is mostly, no, composed no, ng calcite and comprising about 50% of the Earth's sedimentary crust. So, it's a basic building block of construction. So, bali, no, si limestone po, siya po yung main, kung magluto tayo, itong main ingredient na ito, maglutong simento. Pagtukol ng mga balay, pagtukol ng mga building. So, si limestone, siya ang pinaka main ingredient sa pagbuhat ng simento. Then, other use of limestone, paper. Ginagamit mo na ito sa paper. You have plastics, glass, paint, steel, cement, carpets, and used in water treatment. So there are various no of kung asa na ito ginagamit si limestone. So dagan sa ginagamit si
Dili, kanang yung taganihan na unya ng pautan. Pero labi magunungutan na
Sige,
kasi dili
sige.
ko alam kanang calcite mineral. Pasabot ba na kanang na siya sa katong mga shell sa una, mga ana or
Yes, attorney. Yes, po, attorney. Yeah, kaya si limestone, sedimentary rock siya, yung mga shells, kung nagmingat, kung atong actual operation sa limestone, dahil may makita ka ng mga shells, mga na siya.
So, sana, yalong na sa dagat sa una or nangamatay na siya ng mga shells?
Walang isa, attorney. Mga na gina siya. Yan na siya, mga area is rich in calcium bilang area. Mga na siya na, kwan yun siya, limestone area yun siya. So, balik ka. Sige, nalalap. So, for the status no, of limestone mining operation in Region 9, so we have 2 applications for the information of everybody. So, bali si Lugos po lahat. We have one here in Somoga del Sur, which is located So, yung status naman niya, under posting, publication, and broadcast, yung sinabi namin kanina. Under pa din po siya dito. Di pa siya nakausap. Since marami pong complaint sa kanya.
Hanapin natin na.
Yes po, ma'am. Sali po siya. Then we have, yung number 2 naman po is yung sa Zamboanga City. Undergoing po siya na ilang sa Sipilan sa Diina. So, sige ba? Bale, i-discuss na ito ang
In
process.
case, wala din sila posting, hindi mag-post.
Sige ba?
Kung mapun na akong question.
Sige ma'am, ako ang